just got back from a training hike for the Camino English. So today we are going to talk about shoes, the most important gear for your Camino. Let me tell you my history of shoes that I use on the Camino. Camino Francis, the whole 500 miles, I use this Lone Peak Ultra. By the time we got to Santiago, the bottom, totally flat, no traction whatsoever. So this was my it shoes for Camino Francis. Then came 2023 Camino Primitivo. I wanted to try on boots and Gore-Tex shoes. Boots, I tried these. I want it to be so much to be my it shoes. I train in it. I did a really long hike, 12-mile hikes, and what happened? I got ankle issue. It was rubbing against my ankle and I got swollen ankle. So the entire Primitivo, I was limping due to this. So what did I do? I switched these for back to this one, the reliable Ultra Lone Peak. And this helped me complete the Primitivo, limping daily, but I did it in these. In a few weeks, I'll be doing Camino English. In Galicia, it's known for rain all the time. So I really wanted to wear something with Gore-Tex so that way my feet won't get wet. So I opted for this. This is the Adidas Gore-Tex shoes, similar to the Solomon, right? And what happened with this? After hiking in like 3 miles, I start feeling numbness in the toes, and this was not it for me. What did I do? I switched to again Ultra. This one is the Ultra Olympics 5, and this one, lots of cushion. So Camino English, lots of roll walking, and I think the cushion will help me a lot. Versus the Lone Peak is kind of flat, zero drop, flat. So you see the difference. So this one is like walking on clouds, and I love it. So far, so good. Today I did an 8 miles hike and no pain whatsoever. And this will be my it shoes for the Camino English. If you take care of your feet will take care of you. So make sure you really find that pair that will help you walk across Spain. My wife successfully did the Camino Francis in sandals. No problem with her feet. Totally fine in sandals. I would love to hear what shoes you're wearing on your next Camino. The veteran peregrinos, if you can comment down below what shoes you successfully use on your Camino. It will be helpful for future peregrinos. Thank you. Until then, buen camino. Please like and subscribe.